àdúrótì. This is a greeting you use to appreciate someone who has stood for you or supported you. Àdúrótì is a word that means to support. For example, in this kind of period, you begin to see people appreciating those that have supported them from the beginning of the year up till now. In Yoruba, they begin to say ẹ kú àdúrótì, or they may say ẹ kú àdúrótì wa, thanks for supporting us. I would like to use this opportunity to also appreciate those that have stood by us at Learn Yoruba Easily, supporting us all through the year 2022. I really appreciate you, and I will say ẹ kú àdúrótì wa. So I want you to appreciate someone who is a Yoruba person who has supported you by saying ẹ kú àdúrótì. Ó tún dọ̀la o. Till tomorrow.